Hi folks, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars and the Lutherie Academy here. Today I want to tell you about two class opportunities that I offer only once a year. That is my virtual voicing class and my virtual French polish class. Now what is a virtual class? If you have a computer with a camera and a microphone, then you're able to participate in the virtual class. You're at your shop, I'm at my shop. Through the magic of technology with the microphone and the camera, I can hear and see you, you can hear and see me. You can also interact, hear and see all the other students in the class. So the virtual voicing class, this is where you learn how to select material, how to join the top, how to thickness the top, how to brace the top, and then most importantly, how to voice that top to get the optimum response out of that top. You'll also learn my 3 ways of controlling stiffness and looseness, and my whole building philosophy is based around those 2 words, stiffness and looseness. Once the top is done, then you can keep it, put it on a guitar, and see the results. Or you can keep it around your shop and use it as a reference for future guitars or soundboards that you're going to produce. My virtual French polish class, you'll learn about all the different types of shellac and most importantly, how to apply it using my what I call a modern day approach to French polish. And it allows you to French polish a complete instrument in as little as a day or two. So it's a fantastic class. These classes generally fill up very quickly. And the best thing about it is you don't have the time or the expense to come to my shop, and so you don't have to. It's a great opportunity, great learning opportunity. The virtual voicing class this year is going to be offered March 5th, March 12th, and March 30th. Now there's 3 classes in each course, and they are approximately 2 hours each. The virtual French polish class will be April 16th, 23rd, and 30th. Once again, 2-hour class sessions, all 3 classes you must attend. If you can't attend, occasionally I get people that can't attend, and that's okay. All of the classes are recorded, and you have access to the material during the course and after the course, as long as my website's up. And my website's been up almost 25 years, so it's not going away. So you can access that unlimited times, all of the material we discuss in the class, unlimited times from any device anywhere in the world. So it's a fantastic opportunity to learn without having to actually come to the O'Brien Guitars workshop. If you're interested in participating in the classes this year, then please contact me. You can contact me via the O'Brien Guitars YouTube channel. I'm also on Instagram. You can also just go to LuthierieAcademy.com. Click on the contact tab. All of my contact information is there. So I look forward to teaching you everything I know about acoustic guitar voicing and French polish. Happy building, folks.